Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Randy Haas. I want to welcome you to our broadcast from Breakthrough Healthcare. We're located in Jacksonville, Florida, and we are on a mission to get sick people well. We do this naturally without any toxic chemicals, and we get excellent results by doing that. We're seeing people with all kinds of problems, and they travel from far and wide to visit us. I'd like to introduce everybody to Jennifer.
Hello, everyone. I'm so happy to be here.
Jen has been with us for a little over 5 years now, and she just does amazing work. She assists me in taking care of the patients with the testing. She actually has a personal story of her own.
Yes, I've enjoyed my time in the clinic, not just from what I've learned from my personal life and how it's affected my health and the health of my children, but I'm able to see other people succeed as well.
Our mission is not only to get sick people well, doing so naturally, but we can show people how they can get well and stay that way without using toxic chemicals.
I agree completely. I think that it's important for people to realize what can be done to be healthier, what they're not doing, what they are doing that's contributing to ill health. I see people all the time, whether it be at the grocery store or at Walgreens, that are surprised by my choice of food selections, and they're curious. They ask questions. They want to know, why am I getting organic? Does it taste worse? So I've realized that people are thirsty for this information. They just need to know where to go to find it, and I'm hoping that we can provide some answers for them.
And occasionally people will say, well, organic is so expensive. And I believe your response is usually, well, do you want to pay for your health now or pay later?
They definitely want the information. They definitely want to be healthier. They just don't know where to go to get it. A lot of people are misinformed, and I think they are thirsty for the knowledge. And I hope that we can bring something to the table that simplifies health in a very natural way.
We see it as our responsibility because they're not going to get it from their pharmacist or even their friendly grocer or their medical doctor who has all the best intentions. And they're certainly not going to get the information from the drug ads on TV, right?
That's correct.
So, Jen, I think you have a very, very interesting story. Would you share something about what you've experienced in your personal life?
I've been in medicine in one form or another since I was 19 years old. I started in the operating room. I worked through radiology, had a passion for helping people, but nothing ever really reached out and grabbed me. And through a journey I wasn't expecting, I ran across Dr. Haas, and wow, did it change my life. I knew instantly that there was a reason why I was here, and within a short months, it was confirmed, and we've been working side by side ever since. It's made my life healthier personally, my children's most definitely, and the changes that I've seen and other people's lives alone is inspiring. But when it touches your own personal life, that's really when real change happens. I'm very excited to be part of Dr. Haas's office and everything that we do to try to bring more education to the public.
As a matter of fact, I don't mind mentioning that we're getting great results. People are happy. They're sending their family, their friends, and that's what it's all about.
Well, it's like when you see a patient leaving and they say, I'm so glad you told me about that food pairing. I was eating it every day. That's such a simple thing that I can change. I didn't even know about that. That's really the idea of what we're trying to bring is just education, simple things people can do to live healthier. And I don't mind standing in front of anyone checking out at a gas station and telling them about this. So the fact that I get to do this somewhere people will get to take it home to their families and loved ones, that's really what it's about.
And the nice thing is they usually appreciate the information because, as you said earlier, they just don't know, and nobody else has told them what they're doing to themselves.
So, Dr. Haas, why don't you explain what nutrition response testing is?
Well, the simplest way to explain this is a form of energy medicine. And what is energy medicine? Well, acupuncture, chiropractic, massage therapy, Reiki, these are all different forms of energy medicine. So we're monitoring the energy that comes from all the different parts of the body, and where we find deficiencies, then we look for reasons why, the causes. And then we use natural means and correcting diet to eliminate these causes. I'm one of about 600 practitioners in the country with advanced certification, which represents about an additional 400 to 500 postgraduate hours of training in this.
Well, it definitely shows in the smiles of the people leaving our office, that's for sure.
It certainly does.
You definitely have a passion for what you do, Dr. Haas, and you have passed that passion on to me, and for that, I am grateful. I hope that people are able to take things away and they can feel that same happiness and gratefulness to you that I do.
And I just have to say also, when you come into the office, you're getting not only me, but staff that is truly passionate, and everybody who comes in here is well aware of that. So I want you to understand that we want to impart as much information as possible to help you not only get healthy, but stay healthy as well. We want to be able to help everybody, not only in the greater Jacksonville area, but beyond. And as a matter of fact, we have people coming to us from Jamaica, New Orleans, Alabama. We may not be able to get to everybody, but we sure are going to try.
I think that it's really important for as many people as possible to be able to obtain the information they need to get better, whether they're just dealing with aches and pains or trying to eat cleaner, whether they're tired of reading blogs about all of the billion supplements out there and what they're possibly going to do for you. I think having one area where we can kind of combine all of this useful information and make it to where someone could actually apply it into their own life, I think that's what's really important.
It's not just about eating, it's about our environment. We had a case where, unfortunately, I had to make the recommendation that this employee find another environment to work in because it's very toxic and is not conducive to her health. And we've had other such situations, but we're able to recognize this kind of thing and pass this advice on to people.
Absolutely, Dr. Haas.
So I'd like to thank you very much for tuning in to us. We hope that we will, in one way or another, become a great benefit to you and your health and well-being.
We have so many interesting success stories of how these people got there, different things that we can do, and I'm just so excited to pass this information on. We are here to inspire you into wellness.
That's our purpose. That's why we both get up and come to the office and are smiling when we leave at night. We're going to do some great things for people. This Dr. Randy Haas, on behalf of myself and Jen, we'd like to thank you for tuning in to us. I look forward to chatting with you again in the future.
Bye for now.